Welcome to Cornell Cooperative Extension's Choose Local Fish, local seafood cooking demonstration videos. By choosing locally harvested fish and seafood, you can be sure your food is fresh, indigenous, sustainable, and healthy. Each purchase of local seafood supports the economic viability of fishermen, coastal fishing communities, and small businesses. Let's join culinary nutritionist Stephanie Sachs in the kitchen as she shows you how to prepare this locally caught fish.
Welcome to grilled coconut curry monkfish. So this here is monkfish, also called poor man's lobster. It's a really delicious fish, not very expensive, and there's so many things you can do with it. It's so versatile. It's very meaty, yet also tender. Make sure that you have your fishmonger clean it fully for you and actually take off the film. There's a film that is layered on this fish that has to be pulled off. So make sure to ask your fishmonger to remove the gray membrane that actually covers your fish. So I'm gonna move my fish to the side and I'm gonna step into the marinade now. This is super quick. Here is full fat coconut milk. Make sure you shake it, just like so, and open it up. And now I'm gonna make the marinade in a bowl and I'm gonna reserve some on the side for when the fish is cooked, and then we're gonna let the monkfish sit in the marinade for about an hour, but you could do this for up to a day, have it marinate for a day. So that's full fat coconut milk right there, and I'm gonna do juice of 1 lime. And then we're going to do some curry powder here. Do a hefty teaspoon. Some salt. And remember, you can always add more salt at the end. So I would be a little delicate with the salt. I'm going to do about a teaspoon of jalapeno. It adds a nice flavor, a little bit of spice. If you're adverse to spice, you can leave this out for sure. Some curries will also be very, very spicy, so just be mindful of that too. So that goes in. And then we're going to take some cilantro. I'll just pull some off. Toss that in like so. Very easy. Take a whisk or a fork, mix it around. That smells so delightful. It really does. Okay, so now what I want to do is, monkfish is very, very thick and it takes a long time to cook through. And it also can be very dense, kind of like lobster meat. So what I'm doing is cutting it into what I'm calling medallions. Running my knife along here. You can see it's kind of like a medallion. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to put my fish in this plastic bag, because this is where we're going to marinate it actually. Makes it super easy. And I'm going to pour about 2/3 of the marinade in here, like so. And I'm going to save 1/3 for afterwards. Massage it around. Close it up like this, and make sure you get the air out. So now you have this beautiful fish sitting in the marinade. And then we can put it in the refrigerator and it can sit. I like to let the monkfish marinate for an hour, even overnight. Take our monkfish and go out to the grill. Here we're going to pull out our medallions and put them on the grill, like so. Put one more in here. There we go. So we'll let these bad boys cook. See the monkfish now, it's a little well. but it's actually super tender. And we're gonna top it with the sauce. And this is the leftover sauce, and we can just take it and pour it over the monkfish, like so. Look how beautiful that is. So I'm gonna try this now. It's actually quite tender, and it's cooked all the way through, which, because monkfish is so thick, it's hard for it to get cooked through. It's quite good, actually. It's got a lot of flavor, and it's very moist. So I encourage you to try it this way.
Thank you for choosing local fish. If you enjoyed this video, please be sure to like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. Also, please check out the description below for links to more information about local fish species, more recipes, where you can purchase this local fish, and a lot more. Thank you.